Hello everybody and welcome back to Larry's RC room. Well, today we got some stuff in the mail. Now we can work on this K10 Creek Creeper and get all the light kit put into it. I've got all the lights and I've been waiting on one part, and we got it in the mail today from Traxxas.com. Thank you, Traxxas, for finally getting this thing made and shipped out. Well, we've got all the lights except for this part right here. That's what we've been waiting on. That row bar with the lights built into it from Traxxas. That's an expensive piece. So I hope everything jives together. I've got the first part in. Let me move this body out of the way and we'll show you. I got that part right there. It's part A, and it's installed in the chassis. Then we'll start working on the rest of it according to the Traxxas instructions. Here we go. Got lots of parts and pieces. Hey, I'll be right back with you guys. Let me get some of this assembled. I want to see this thing all lit up. Headlights, tail lights, signals, side markers, the row bar. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned with me. Keep watching. Well, okay, so they don't have just like the 21 Bronco kit for this K10, so you have to buy 3 or 4 different pieces separately. And so with that being said, of course this part A, it won't be used on this truck. I'll have to use this part, which is the actual, I lost the screw out of it, that's all right, which is the actual pro scale lighting part number right there to mount all of my lights up. That gives me the option of running rock lights later and stuff like that. It also will hook up to my row bar wire, as you can see in the package there. So all of this will be done through that module and not through the module that comes with the lights for the Blazer. This is a Blazer light module and not one for all the lights that's available for a Traxxas. Later on, I'll get some rock lights for this and put rock lights in it. Right now, I don't have the rock lights, but maybe later on I'll get them. And that way, that module will actually cover all the modules that I should ever need. All right, I'm coming right back at you. Stay tuned. Well, all right, we've got this part of it done, and you're probably hearing the TV in the background, watching some public television also. Wiring going in, Traxxas link going on there. Got it plugged into the receiver right there where it belongs. Run through here. I've got these 2 extra ports, and I'm running them off of the RPM sensor port, which is just an auxiliary port, because I ain't going to put no RPM sensor on this thing. So it will light up my aftermarket lights. I done jacked them, plugged them in with a battery. Now, time for finishing wiring. Okay. Alright, I've made it back after conferring with Traxxas on their chat envelope. I've got a mess. Yep. See that right there? That Traxxas number 6592. Well, I have no idea, except for the lights, why I have to buy this for a K10, because most of the daggone electronics for that don't go with it. You use this instead of the crap that they send with it, and then now you have to buy one more part. It's called 6593. It's the link that goes from there to it's the link that goes from there to the body. And then the body, all your lights plug into it. Now, let's hope that all these plugs that's on these lights will plug in to that body module. Look at that. I have no idea, because I know they don't plug into nothing there. I've had this thing apart and back together and apart and back together, looking and looking and looking. I'm telling you guys, Traxxas dropped the ball for this K10 lighting. I looked it up online beforehand. So all of this is junk. All right. You buy this piece right here. All right. And you pay almost damn near 80 bucks to get it to the house. All right. Get this to the house. Just for the daggone lights. These little lights right here. That's all I was after. Why don't Traxxas just sell these lights and all this other bullshit they can sell to somebody that needs it? Hey, Traxxas, you dropped the ball on this one. Yeah, I'm a little bit upset. And this is going on YouTube in this video. So this video will be continued at a later time. I've got all this wired up and ready to go. I'm missing one module that goes to the body that hooks up right there inside the body. And then I can put all my lights in. I ain't putting shit together until I get that module. Now, with this time of year being how it is, it's hard to say if I'll get that module in a month. But at least they had it in stock. Thank God for that. All right. You guys peace out. Hey, have a good one. Laughing, playing, and RCing. And sometimes even more RCing and laughing and playing. But here we are in Larry's RC room trying to get a K10 lit up with the Traxxas parts. Joke? Nah, it's all right. We'll make it slowly but surely. I've waited this long. I guess another couple of weeks ain't gonna hurt.